I rise to bring to the notice of the Honourable House about the serious situation that has arisen on account of the ambiguity with regard to lifting of the ban on the cotton export. Sir, cotton prices have fallen down drastically across the country. The farmers are agitated. They are not getting remunerative prices, and Cotton Corporation of India is not purchasing cotton at the minimum support price announced by the government. Even with regard to the exports, on 5th March, the government of India unilaterally, without consulting anybody, has imposed a ban on the export of cotton. Thereby, the price have come down considerably. After the agitation by the farmers, when the matter was mentioned in the Lok Sabha Parliament here, the Honourable Minister has assured us that they will lift the ban. On 5th ban was imposed, on 12th ban was lifted. But unfortunately, the certain conditions were levied. Because of the conditions, sir, after the lifting of the ban, not even 1 quintal of cotton has been exported outside. With the result, the prices have come down in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Sir,
We have zero. We have zero.
There is decision. No, please. No, please. Yes. Please, please. आप बैठिए. आप बैठिए.
ये होने दीजिए.
आप बैठिए. आप बैठिए. It was decided there. You know it.
Sir, after,
You know.
After the announcement made by the Honourable Minister in the Parliament about the so-called lifting of the ban, clear instructions are not given. There is ambiguity with regard to the order issued. The result is lakhs of bales of cotton have piled up in various markets in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. The result is the price have gone down considerably. Neither the Cotton Corporation of India nor the private trader is willing to purchase the cotton. So the cotton price has come down from 6,000 to 3,500 today. And the cotton farmers are weeping across the country. They are very much agitated and there is glut in the market and the government of India is in a helpless position. We are told even the Minister for Agriculture also has written to the Prime Minister about the situation. We don't know the full facts, but what is the response of the government? That is more important. What is the relief that is going to be provided to the farmers? I demand that the government should immediately remove the ban unconditionally, without any condition, and allow the export to go up so that there will be buoyancy in the market and farmers will be rescued. Otherwise, sir, there will be total unrest across the country. Already Gujarat farmers on the streets, Maharashtra, the other day, sir, a farmer in Maharashtra has committed suicide.
Yes,
sir, a farmer in Maharashtra committed suicide and he left a suicide note saying that don't vote for Congress and NCP in the coming election. He said it. He said it. He said it. He said it. No, I am not saying it.
Okay, please.
I am not saying
Over,
it.
please. Rangaya ji, over.
I am not going.
Not going on record.
I am not making.
Not going on record. Over, Rangaya ji, over. It's not going on record.
Let me complete, sir.
It is not going on record.
Let me complete. There was disturbance. There was disturbance.
Time over, that is the point.
Let me complete, sir.
That will not go on
Let
record.
me complete. This is a very serious issue, sir.
That will not go on record. Then what is the use? Please. PK. No, please. That will not. Rangaya ji, that will not go on record. Then what is the use? Rangaya ji, that will not go on record.
Let me complete.
Then what is the use?
I have to complete what I
What can I do? That is the rule.
No, this is going
That is
on.
the
What
rule.
can I
No, please.
do? Sir,
That is the rule. Why do you disturb your leader? Why do you disturb your leader? No. Your leader is speaking. आप बैठिए. अरे
The
आप
point
बैठिए,
is-
don't disturb your leader. बैठिए, why? He is
the
making.
point is, sir, the-
No, please.
Rupalan,
Hey, Purushottam ji,
the
please.
class- what is this? What is
रेणुका जी बैठिए. Please, why do you disturb your leader? Don't disturb your leader.
Sir, the
बैठिए,
issue is- the
बैठिए.
issue- the entire country want to know, the farmers community want to know why the ban was imposed, at whose behest?
Okay. Okay, now that's
At
all.
whose behest,
That's all.
ban was imposed on 5th March.
No, that's all, please.
And then why it
Please
was
take your
imposed?
seat.
Well,
आप बैठिए.
what happened in 7 days?
Yeah, please take your seat.
Are you in grow? Are you in grow with the private traders?
Please
Do you
take
want
your
to help the private traders?
आप बैठिए.
So now also.
वेंकैया जी,
Sir,
सी-
please,
आप
let me
senior
come-
leader
No,
हैं,
no, no,
बैठिए.
no, चलेगा. This is a very important issue.
Yes,
And there
I
are a lot of
fully agree.
discussions unnecessary. My
आप
point is,
सीनियर लीडर है, बैठिए.
I am not making any political allegations. sir.
Yes.
The farmers are agitated. They are in the streets.
आप
You
बड़ा
want-
सीनियर लीडर है, बैठिए.
No, you try to understand my agony.
I
Please try
understand.
to understand.
But
Sir,
I have
you
to go
don't-
by rules.
You please don't disturb me for 2 minutes.
No, it is not going on record. That's what I am
You
saying.
should go on record, sir.
How?
Otherwise,
The rule, the rule, the rule is in
If
operation.
people disturb them.
No, the
people
rule is
disturb
in
like this-
operation. That's the problem.
If people are disturbing me, then you say that don't.
We
go on
only
record,
made
then
the
what-
rules.
What for the parliament then? If you are not able to discuss the burning problem of the farmer, then what for parliament? What is the purpose of sitting here? What is the purpose of sitting here, sir?
Please.
ये तो
What is this?
ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं No, I want response from the government, sir. We want response from the government. We want the Minister for Commerce. Minister
Okay,
for
now-
Commerce to come and give an assurance.
Okay.
Please
Now we
try to
take up-
understand. Sir,
We take up Central Education Institution Reservation in Admission Bill. Further discussion. Srimati Jarna Das Vaidya. Jarna Das Vaidya. Only two allowed. Monday. Rajiv, you give on Monday. Rajiv, you give on Monday. You can give it on Monday. Monday दे दो. That is the decision. Yechuri साहब. Yechuri साहब. That is the decision. You know. Monday कर दो. Monday.
बिल पास करेंगे।
अरे सुनिए. No, listen. You listen, please. You listen. You listen to me. You listen to me. See. No, you are completed. You are completed. No. Don't.
There was disturbance from the ruling party
You-
side.
you are completed.
There was disturbance from the ruling
are-
party side.
No.
sir.
You-
No, it's a very burning issue. It's a concern the
It
lands of
took more
farmers.
than
across
3
the-
minutes. What is this? Okay.
It is the future of the farmers across the country.
You will give the notice on Monday. Monday it will be allowed.
ये सर वहाँ पर ये इन चेयरमैन के साथ पास उन्होंने प्रकाश जावड़ेकर ने लिख के दिया
क्या?
अबाउट वेंकैया नायडू
Yeah.
आफ्टर laying of papers
Okay.
and after Mohan
Yeah,
Singh,
yeah.
he said you can do. And he has said that nothing will happen, so please include it. Now what is happening?
Vengaya ji, you got this as a special permission from the chair, and keep your heads. No. Vengaya ji, you see, Vengaya ji, I'm not. No, I will allow you. I will allow you. I will allow you. I will allow you. No, let me reply to you. See, Vengaya ji, the decision was to have only one or submission by Mohan Singh ji, and you got the special permission to raise the matter, and after 3 minutes, you know nothing will go on record, so you should have finished in 3 minutes. Yet I allow you more time. No, that is up to the minister. I can't ask her. You know. No. Yes, I have no objection. I have no objection if the minister responds. Now, I will have. Yes. I have no. Yeah. But you made your point. Venkaya ji, keep up your promise. You made your point. You see, yes, I have the note here. Keep up your promise. Yeah.
Is not the promise given by member or anybody. The issue is.
I
why
agree,
the ban
appreciate.
was-
Your
why
point
was
is
the
very
ban was
important,
imposed, why
very
it is
serious.
lifted, and
I
why
appreciate
conditions are
that.
put. Somebody should respond to this.
No,
That's the
that is
issue.
up to the government.
No, I am asking.
I
the
have no
government, sir.
objection if the
is there.
government
I am asking
responds.
the I am
That is
asking
up to the government.
I
आप
am asking
बैठिए,
the government.
your own people are
Why
disturbing
the
you.
government has become so
आप
insensitive?
बैठिए,
Why the government has become so
मेरा
insensitive?
दोस्त है, आप बैठिए, बैठिए,
मजाक
बैठिए.
कर-
अच्छा,